Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. You guys are here for outfit number 2 of my fall winter fashion mood board, which is based on the Design Your Wardrobe workshop given by Seamwork. When I presented this mood board, I was saying that it's something that I wanted. These are pieces that I wanted to add to my work wardrobe, and I'm very happy with the results. I'm talking about the Sloane sweater by Namedclothing together with a skirt by Knipmode. This Sloane sweater, it is the 3rd time that I made it. It is definitely beginners friendly. It has cuff, neckband, waistband, front and back, and the sleeves as pattern pieces. It also has 2 darts in the front. It hits me where it's supposed to hit me. I'm very happy. And you can never have enough sweaters when it comes to this cold weather. Then I also filmed some footage so you guys can see. Okay, behind the scenes, this is the Sloane sweater. I cut it out. I pinned down the darts. I have the waistband here, the neckband, the cuffs, and the sleeves. I'm going to use my overlocker for all of the sides, although this fabric doesn't fray, but it's just nicer. I like the professional finish of the overlocker. And I'm going to close the darts first, and then I'm going to take it on over to the overlocker over there, and I'm going to lock all of the sides, everything, and then I'm going to close those 2 and close all of those 2, the cuffs, close the waistband and neckband, and come back when I'm going to pin the shoulders, the shoulder part of the sleeve to the opening right here. I'll come back and show you guys. I also have I also have the locking thread that I'm going to be using, which is this color right here. It's a beautiful complement to what I'm using, and I already threaded my machine. I have the overlocker, so I'm using a separate holder so I can use the overlocking thread, and I also have it on my bobbin. And now I'm going to pick up all of the pins that just fell. I'm back. I did this step, and now I'm right here. So I need seam tape to stabilize the shoulder, and that is what this is. I bought it at my local shop, and this one is especially for knit fabric, and it is 1.5 centimeter wide. So that's what I'm going to use right here. I'm going to iron it on and then sew it just like it says here. The seam allowance are included, so it's 1 centimeter, and then I'm going to move on to do the shoulder part right here, which is the sleeve, attaching the sleeve to the bodice, and make sure I cut into the top part of the sleeve, which is going to be just like that. This is what you have to do when you have roundings in your pattern, so at the seam or right here. That's where you put some notches in. Try not to cut through the thread. Oh, it reduces tension. That's what it does. Alright. I managed to sew the shoulder seam shut and pinned the sleeves. I did it like that. Now I'm going to sew for both sides and then close it from, let's say, from the arm hem to the side hem all the way. Next up is the Knipmode skirt. and it's all about this twist right here in the front. The zipper, I have a split, and I have a secret. This skirt did not come out as I would have hoped, and as you guys know, there's no shame in my game, and so I'll show you the footage of when I was putting it together. Hi everybody, welcome to my studio. I wanted to say den because that's what it looked like, but fit test, right? That's what we're doing. Every time when I sew something, especially when I'm sewing for myself, I fit. Every time there's something done, I fit, because to avoid disappointment at the end, right? Okay, so this is the skirt that I'm working with. This is the twist that I spoke about. I filmed that in depth. And the skirt length is perfect. I'm thinking that I have to take it in just a little bit. So instead of doing the initial 1.5 centimeters, I'm definitely going to do 2 on both sides. Then it will take in just 0.5 centimeter on each side. I think that's all that I will need, because I do feel like it is a little, just a tad big, but not big enough to do like a major alteration. And this is the side where I'm going to put the invisible zipper. So I'm going to sew from the notch down, and this side I will just sew it all the way down, and then later on I'll fix the I'll show how I incorporate, because remember this side is loose but it's stitched in the side, and so right now it looks like it's longer, which it is. Well, too much junk. It is a little bit longer, but it will be all right when I do the hemming, but you guys will see that later in depth. And now I'll show you this. So the waistband came out wobbly, like And it's not about taking it in, it is about the fabric recovery. And sometimes it's just hit or miss. I am going to fix it, not by taking it in, but by adding a waistband elastic on the inside of my waistband so it could pull it together. Because I still want to wear it. I still want to wear it. I like it. It's cute, but it's just not what I wanted, how I wanted it to come out. Other than that, I have a beautiful hem that I did with a blind stitch, and also I locked all of the pieces. You know what it is? I like showing the good and the bad and the ugly, because it's not going to be perfect. Oh, by the way, I mean, the ones that have been here know that life isn't perfect, so my clothes aren't supposed to be. And then second of all, I am not going to let something that didn't come out as I want, you know, ruin my entire journey. It's just, it is what it is. So this is my outfit. And as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day.